In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Notion. This integration allows you to bring your Trello boards and cards directly into your Notion workspace, making it much easier to manage projects without constantly switching between different apps and browser tabs. By connecting these two tools, you can keep your planning, tracking, and documentation in one centralized place. To begin, open Notion and look at the sidebar on the left. From there, select the workspace where you want your Trello data to appear. This part is important because integrations in Notion are workspace specific. Taking a moment to confirm you are in the correct workspace helps ensure your Trello boards show up exactly where you expect them. Once you are in the right workspace, click on the Settings option in the left sidebar. This opens your workspace settings, where you can manage preferences, permissions, and connections to external tools. Inside the Settings panel, locate and select the Connections tab. This section is dedicated to third-party integrations and is where Notion allows you to link other platforms to your workspace. In the Connections tab, you will see a list of available integrations, but only a small selection may be visible at first. To view the full list, click the See All option below the initial set of apps. This expands the catalog and gives you access to many supported integrations. Scroll through the list until you find Trello. On the Trello integration page, you will see a Connect button. Click this to start the authorization process. A Trello authorization window will appear. If you are not already logged in, you will be prompted to sign in to your Trello account. Make sure you use the account that contains the boards and cards you want to sync with Notion. After logging in, Trello will ask you to grant permission for Notion to access your Trello data. Take a moment to review the permissions, then click Allow to proceed. This authorization step is necessary as it enables Notion to read and sync your Trello boards, cards, and related activity. The connection may take a few moments to finalize, so allow it a little time to complete. Once the process finishes, your Trello account is successfully connected to your Notion workspace. You can now access and work with your Trello information inside Notion, helping you streamline your workflow and keep everything organized in one place. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.